but this is how it came, and it's not full whatsoever. So lesson learned, never judge from the picture. Luckily I only bought one. Ciao beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. So I'm tidying up the desk as I'm going along. How are you guys? Hope you all well and enjoy December. I just want to say thank you to the lovely comments I have received on the video when I showcase my Christmas trees. Your feedback have been fantastic. I'm really grateful for your lovely words, and I know a lot of you have liked the silver and green tree that we have on the hallway. Well, it's a full tree, but I have to bend the branch inwards so it kind of goes into the wall, but it's still a full tree. And that tree is silver. It's got lots of silver decoration and like olive green. And today I thought I will have a little play with this wonderful digital kit from TaylorMadeJournals by the lovely Lorna. And the theme that I'm going to play with is silver white, and I might use, depends, some lace, but I'm definitely going to use these white feathers. As I said to you guys on that video, I will put a link down below. I have bought the main purpose of this was to go on the tree, because that tree is got a bit of white feathers. I want to kind of like create that sort of Scandinavian look. However, on the picture, this feather boa, it looks very bushy, very full, but this is how it came, and it's not full whatsoever. So lesson learned, never judge from the picture. Luckily I only bought one. When I bought the one I put on the tree, I think I bought like 6. Silly me. So, and it's so frustrating because a few months ago I've been to Poundland and I actually saw a white for a full box of white boas. They were so chunky, they were so full of feathers, really good quality. It was only £1, and I said to myself, oh, I'm not gonna get, I was kind of in a rush because I only needed some glue dots, because I only buy the glue dots from Poundland, because you get a full pack of 160. So I bought like 4 or 5 of them, and then literally went out. So I thought, oh, I'm not gonna get it. And then silly me, I wish I did, because I can't find them anymore. I think they just don't supply them anymore. So frustrating. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna use them today, and then I might gonna use some of these metallic lick flakes. Silver is not something that I use on my project a lot. I tend to stick to my gold because I do like gold. I'm obsessed with gold. So this is a bit new to me, but I thought I had a lot of unused gold glitter papers, silver glitter paper. So I thought, let's have a go. But before I crack on, I just want to show you really quickly this amazing digital kit, because it's huge. You've got 36 pages. 36 pages. It's one of the biggest kits I ever worked with, and it's all like woodlands, that kind of Scandinavian look. I'm just gonna go really quickly. Silly me, I made a mistake when I print them, because I actually I think I press leave an edge or something like that. Anyway, it's all right, but the printing setup is actually cut off some of the papers, some of the edges, so I missed some of the paper. But you've got lots of different pages. You've got your background for your journal. Also, you get these lovely birds. Okay, more background, watercolor. I love these watercolor elements. So a lot of pages. So they are fantastic if you do like a winter, because this is not Christmassy really, this is more like winter journal for you to journal for like November or December. But I do want to make some like little Christmas ephemera to put on top of my Christmas presents, more like a present toppers. I love that. Look at this little bird, it's gorgeous. You've got this watercolor effect, which is quite nice. Again, more pages. It's huge, 36 pages. So well done, Lorna. It's massive. And you've got little, because this can be a really nice Christmas card if you cut it like that. So, or like gigantic tags, or you can make an envelope. You get loads and loads of options. Okay, that with a little rabbit. You also got some full-on background pages. You got this lovely lace. Again, 2 pages for your journal. This one with the pine cones, and then you get your pussycat elements, which I'm gonna use it today. We've got some foxes, some owls, some pine cones. Yeah, this is what I mean. I just chopped off the heads. I didn't do it intentionally. Silly me. I love these tags, which I'm gonna use today. Wonderful. They're absolutely gorgeous. And then you've got your pockets for your journal, your little front pockets, little cards, your little side pockets, so you can just cut them and fold them. Very pretty. This is fine. I just wish I had that, but silly me. Some more postcards, which I think are quite cute. More tags. They're gorgeous. You see, I just chopped some of the labels there. More pockets and embellishment. It's huge, fantastic value for money. I'm gonna use this today, these postcards here. And then you get some more envelopes, some more ovals and embellishment, more pockets, your tabs, your side tabs, your triangle pockets. It's huge, absolutely huge. More tags and big envelopes. Right, I thought, because I've not done anything yet and we are on 6 minutes and 50 seconds. I talk too much. I'm not going to do a process videos, but you saw the pictures, you saw that. I'm just going to make, in my head, I want to make some sort of like rectangular shape present toppers or ephemera for your journal, or little cards, anything. But I want to use, because there is a lot of like feathers animals as well. I'm definitely going to use some lace, and I'm definitely going to use some of this paper because I think it works really well. Okay, I'm going to contemplate what I'm gonna do in my head, and then I will show you the final result. I'll see you in just a second. Right, done. Note to yourself, just be careful, because when if you use gold or silver leaves, you get silver or gold hands. Right, so let's crack on. 1, love them. This is literally the size that I had in my head. So as you can see, I used the postcards, some the silver flakes. I mean, everything is still very wet, so I'm handling with lots of care. So this, when it dries, you'll probably see the doily a bit better. But that's one, and I love the white feathers. Absolutely love them. Then that's number 2. They're very similar, but yet different. I love the flakes. It looks like snow. That's kind of like what I had in my head. Then I've got one more here. And I think as well, the watercolor effect works really well with the feathers and the different texture, because you got your very shiny. I mean, they're not as shiny yet because they're still very wet, but once that is totally dry, it will looks like this. So it will looks like a proper it will shine more. That's what I'm trying to say. I got one more in here, and I had and I completely forgot one that went on the floor. Some felt words. They were on a happy mail. I got peace, joy, and something got on the floor. Oh, Noel. Yeah, reached it. Noel. So yes, I used the joy on both of them. I'll show you the other one in just a sec. So that's, and I think it works. Where is the other one? So that's the slightly bigger one. But what I need to do when it dries, I'm going to trim the excess of the lace here and there. I've used this like a baby blue cardstock. In fact, to be fair, it looks pretty dry, so let's try to cut it. Oh yeah. So let's chop it off. And again, once that's totally 100% dry, you will see the lace and the doily, yeah, a bit better. So that's what it looks like. So you don't know what you can see on camera, but I can see them on flash. So you've got the old lace there, the snow, and it's a shame, guys, because I really wanted to show you, but it really shine and it's gorgeous. I'm really pleased with that. And I got one more which I left it for last because it's my favorite. It's the jar with the stag, and what I did again, I put on a piece of rectangular blue paper and then double sellotape everywhere, and I framed it with the feathers. I think it's really nice. And then I put some glitter cardstock and a winter's tale. So if you do like a journal like this sort of theme, every page can have feathers or lace or doilies if you don't have feathers, so you can play with this sort of like different texture and create different layers of details. I would like to think so. Also, if you have like silver ribbons, or I mean, I've got some gold rush thread, so if you have like silver threads, you know, I mean, on here I actually use my buttons. So there is a lot of things that you can use to make it more like a mixed media, I suppose. So yeah, that's it, guys. Little note to yourself: you might want to hover if you use loose feathers like this. For my vegan friends, I want to say they are synthetics, so it's all animal friendly, of course. Right, guys, thank you so much for watching. In fact, I forgot, I have some of these teal sequins, and I thought to myself, should I make them? Oh god, hashtag clumsy. I thought I might glue some of them like that, but I don't know what you guys think. Sequin, hashtag sequin yes, or hashtag sequins no. Let me know. But yeah, I mean, not just like that, but you know, do you know what I'm trying to say? So I don't know, I'll never think when it's completely dry. I'm gonna close the bag of sequins before they end up everywhere. Oh right, okay, it's too late. Anyway, they end up everywhere. Right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay safe and well.